relatively slow speed flight still gives you an opportunity to get a close look at the precision flying that produces the 18-inch Wingfit mechanical separation between these four aircraft. From the right, the blue Angel Diamond.
Dikit-dikit yun, no? Grabe.